Swapping crypto across chains? With Unity Wallet, it's never been easier. Start a swap right from the home screen via the Services tab, or simply ask our new AI assistant. It will set everything up for you in seconds. Prefer to do it yourself? No problem. Select the asset you want to swap and the one you'd like to receive. Then enter the amount you want to swap. Once you've entered the amount, Unity Wallet automatically finds you the best deal. Working with trusted partners like LetsExchange, Changelly, 1inch for Ethereum swaps, Jupiter for Solana, and Near Intense for AI-powered intent-based swaps, Unity selects the most efficient option. Prefer more control? You can also choose your own exchange partner. Unity defaults to the simplest, most efficient options. But if you want more flexibility, you can set your own slippage tolerance, the maximum price change you'll accept. And where available, choose between floating rates for live pricing or fixed rates to lock in your amount. By default, Unity sets a regular gas transaction fee, but you can take control and pick the speed you need: low, regular, high, or ultimate. Once you've selected all your swap options, tap Continue, and you'll be taken to the confirmation screen. Double-check all the details, and once you're happy, hit Confirm and Swap. That's it. Now let the magic happen, and your swap will complete based on your selected options. You can also check on progress via the notification bell on your home screen. Unity Wallet makes cross-chain DEX swaps a breeze. Simple, smart, and fast. Unity Wallet. Crypto shouldn't be cryptic.